Alright, how's it going everybody? My name is Nick Rotter. I am here with Trust Me Vodka today. Going to be making some great fall and winter drinks for you. So the first one is called Pear It Up. For this one, we're using Trust Me Organic Vodka. I've infused it with some pears. To do that, you just throw some pears in it, mix it up, let it sit overnight, and then you will come out with a delicious pear infused vodka. So for this one, I'm going to do a little bit of pear. Now, for a little sweetener, we're going to use some orgeat. Lemon juice to balance it out. And some vanilla extract. Now for the vanilla, if you prefer, you can use vanilla bean. Personal preference, I prefer the extract, but the bean will work just as well. All right. Give this one a good shake. Now before we place that in here, we're going to take a little bit of fresh ginger. Run this around the rim. A little bit of a salt, sugar, and vanilla bean rim for this one. And up. Last but not least, a little bit of pear garnish. All right, and we have the Pear It Up.